Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ranger timing chain. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a torque wrench and any specialized pullers. Begin by disconnecting the battery for safety. Next, drain both the engine's coolant and oil completely. You'll then need to remove the cooling fan, radiator, and all accessory drive belts to gain access to the front of the engine. Now, let's move on to engine disassembly. You'll need to remove the crankshaft pulley and the harmonic balancer. After that, carefully detach the valve covers and the front timing cover. This will expose the timing chain and gears. Take a moment to thoroughly inspect all timing components for any signs of wear, stretching, or damage before proceeding with replacement. With the old components exposed, it's time for replacement. First, rotate the engine to align it at top dead center, or TDC for cylinder 1. This is crucial for proper timing. Then, carefully remove the old timing chain, along with its guides and tensioners. Install the new timing chain, making sure all alignment marks on the gears and chain are perfectly matched according to specifications. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Reinstall the timing cover, valve covers, and the harmonic balancer, torquing all bolts to their specified values. Once everything is back in place, refill the engine with fresh oil and coolant. Before driving, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully check for any leaks and ensure the engine is running smoothly, indicating correct timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.